All right, hey everyone. I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to the 100 Days to CAT series. In the last part, we have seen a very, very interesting question wherein we tried to find out the number of digits in an exponent. In this part, we are discussing yet another important aspect from a CAT standpoint, which is called AM-GM-HM inequality. Now, what is AM-GM-HM inequality? That is so important from a CAT standpoint that we see a question from this topic every now and then. If you will see the last 5 years of CAT, you will find multiple questions from this concept. So let's understand what is this concept, and then let's try a few questions to apply these concepts as well. I'm hoping that you're all ready. I'm hoping that you're all putting a lot of efforts and you're very, very excited in the next 100 days to give your best. So let's see. सबसे पहले, what is the concept? The concept is very simple. The concept says that for, let's say, a given set of numbers, the arithmetic mean, which is, given as, for example, let's say, I take a couple of numbers. Let's say the numbers are A and B, right? So then the arithmetic mean of these numbers, which is also, the mean or the average, is A plus B by 2. For the given numbers, what is geometric mean? Geometric mean will be A into B raised to the power 1 by 2. Right? So basically a root of these numbers, square root. And for these numbers, what will be the HM? HM will be 2 upon 1 by A plus 1 by B, right? So now this is AM, GM and HM. So what is the inequality? Inequality says that the arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean, is greater than equal to harmonic mean, right? So you can apply it, in various scenarios. I'll show you a few scenarios also, some typical questions that can be part of CAT. Some questions that I'm expecting this year from this concept also. So let's see. This is the concept. Now let's try and apply this. Very, very beautiful concept. Okay. Now let's try and apply this. Okay. So for example, let's look at this question. Now, if you have a look at this question, how do we go about solving this question? I have xyz is equal to 216. What is the minimum value of x plus y plus z? Let's say these are the three numbers. Okay, so what is the arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean will be x plus y plus z divided by 3, right? And this is greater than equal to the geometric mean for these three numbers. What will be the geometric mean? X into y into z. Here there are three numbers, so I'll take a cube root. Okay. If there are four numbers, I'll take a fourth root. 5 numbers, fifth root, right? So now I have to find out the minimum value of this. Let us say that this is k. So k is greater than equal to, if 3 moves to the other side, 3 into xyz raised to the power 1 by 3. xyz is 216. What is cube root of 216? We know that cube of 6 is 216. So this becomes 6. So therefore, k is greater than equal to 18. If k is greater than or equal to 18, the minimum value that it can take will be equal to what? 18. So the answer to this question is what? 18. I'm hoping that this is clear to you. A very interesting, important concept from a CAT standpoint. Do not miss out. Let's move forward. See the next bit here. Okay, let us see how do we apply it differently. Now this question is, has been tweaked slightly. So 4x plus 6y is equal to 30. So I can say that 2x plus 3y is equal to 15, right? Now I have to find out the max value of x squared into y divided by 2. So how do I convert it into this number? So for example, let's say I take this as x plus 3y. I take three numbers here, x, and 3y. Why did I take it like this? Because I know I have to, the other side I have to multiply x and x, because I have to get an x square here, right? So x plus 3y divided by 3, okay? Because there are three numbers, greater than equal to x into 3y raised to the power 1 by 3. I have to find out the max value of this number, as in slightly tweaked, form of this number. X plus 3y, this is basically 2x plus 3y, which is 15. So if I divide it, I get a 5 here, right? So x square into 3y, which is this number, raised to the power 1 by 3 is less than equal to 5. So if I take cube, x square into 3y becomes less than equal to 125. Now, what do I have to find? I have to find x square y by 2. So if I divide this number by 6, both sides, so this becomes x square y by 2, which is what I want to find. So this is less than equal to 125 upon 6. So the maximum value here becomes 125 upon 6, right? Again, a very beautiful application, slightly higher level as compared to the last question. Last question was pretty straightforward. Here we had to think as to how do we split these numbers, right? That was the key aspect. Correct. Now let's see one more wherein we involve a little bit of HM also, which is harmonic mean. Now in this question, have a look. I have A, B, C, D, which are natural numbers, which are your positive integers, summing up to 8. Find the minimum value of 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by D. Perfect. बढ़िया question, मजेदार. तो देखो, A plus B plus C plus D. These are the 4 numbers. Divided by 4 will be the arithmetic mean. Must be greater than equal to harmonic mean. For 4 numbers, it will become 4 upon 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by D. So if you have a look, how do we know whether we have to apply AM-GM inequality or AM-HM inequality? If you have a look at the number which you have to find here, it's in the reciprocal form. You have such forms in harmonic progression, right? If you look at the last question, you had this number in multiplication form, right? So multiplication, this number is in the multiplication form. So multiplication form you have in geometric progression, and when you find geometric mean. So that gives you an idea, right? So have a look at this. Have a look at this. Now I have to find out the minimum value of this number. Perfect. So let's see how do we go about it. This is the number I have to find out. So let's say put it as K. A plus B plus C plus D is 8. So if I divide this, this becomes 2, and I take a a division here, so this becomes, so K greater than equal to 2. So what is the minimum value of K? If K is greater than equal to 2, the minimum value becomes equal to 2. I am hoping that this is also clear. So with that, we come to the end of a very, very important discussion. I am expecting one question from this topic in the upcoming CAT and OMETs. I am hoping that you will all be able to solve this. If you like this, if you understood something, do share it with other aspirants and make sure that everybody learns together. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care and bye-bye.